Oh no, Mo's got a carrot. I thought he took Mo's carrot. Good girl, Mo. Took it from under the dog's nose. Tango, you can't take it from Mo. No. Annie, no. Annika! Mo, you just lost your carrot.
Where's it gone?
There's more, sweetie. There's more. Look. Mo. Mo. There you go, darling. Don't lose it this time. Nommy carrot. Yay. Where's she gone?
She loses it to the dog.
She doesn't. Why? You're really rubbish. You lost it to a dog and you lost it to your girlfriend. Na, 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 na. Oh, she found another one. Good girl, mate. Good girl. Good job. Here's Libby. Make sure they don't steal Libby's carrot, hon.
No.
This. Oh, good girl, Libby. There you are. Eating your carrot. Annie. So tempting. I hope he's not stolen Libby's carrot, no?
No, he's eating them and goes and putting his food in.
Good girl, Libby. Good girl. Way to go. Nommy carrot. What's Mo doing? Mo's got a carrot too. Yum, yum, yum.